Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and today's date is 12th of August 2021. So today we are going to cover what is inheritance in Java. So basically inheritance is one of the four important fundamental concept of object oriented project programming system, that is OOPS concept. It is one of the OOPS concept. There are total four types of OOPS concept. They are: first is inheritance, second is abstraction, third is interface, and fourth is encapsulation. So today we are going to today we are only going to discuss about inheritance. So in in inheritance we are going to cover what is inheritance, then how to achieve inheritance, then terms and terms used in inheritance, and types of inheritance. So first of all, let us start with what is inheritance. So basically in Java, inheritance in Java is inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties of another, all the properties and behavior of the parent class. It is an important part of OOPS. The idea behind inheritance is the idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from existing class, then the object acquire the then the object acquires all the properties of both the class which are inherited. So in this way inheritance use inheritance is used. In inheritance you can inherit multiple classes. The classes the first class, which is called as parent class, it is also called as uh, superclass, and the class the which inherit is called the child class, or it is also called as subclass. So there are two types of classes used in inheritance, and it is also a relation. It is also called as a relation, which is also known as parent class relationship, in which child class can inherit parent class. So now let us move on to terms used in inheritance. So first first is class. A class is a group of object in which it is a class is a group of objects which have common proper properties. It is a template or blueprint in which objects are created. Now the next class is subclass. Subclass. This class inherits the other class, and it is also called as extended class, derived class, or extended class, derived class, or parent class. Now the next term is uh, superclass. In this class, superclass is a class from where subclass subclass inherits the features from. It is also called as a parent class, or base class. So So the next term is reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates to the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use same field and methods which can derived in the previous class. So this is reusability. So now let us discuss syntax of Java inheritance. So the extend keyword the extend keyword indicates that you are making a new class derives the derives the extending existing class. The meaning of extend is to extend the uh, superclass or parent class. Means it access the means the class in which we are using extend word, that class that class that class exists the properties and methods which are available in the superclass. So to use inheritance, we have to use extend keyword at the in the class. So next is why multiple inheritance is not supplied in Java. So to reduce the complexity and simplify the language, multiple inheritance is not supposed to use in Java. Consi- uh, so consider a scenario where A, B, and C are the three class prepare. The class the C class inherits A and B class have the same method, and it from child you called it from child class object. So there will be ambiguity to call the method of A and B, or so whether you have same method or different method, there will be an compile time error. Since compile time error are better than runtime error, Java reduce compile time error. So now let us discuss the types of inheritance in Java. So basically there are three types of inheritance in Java. On the basis of classes, there is three types of inheritance in Java. The first one is single, then second one is multiple, and the third one is hierarchical. In Java program, multiple and hierarchical inheritance is supplied through interface only. So first one is single level inheritance. when a when a class inherits another class, it is known as a single level inheritance. Means there are only two class in single level inheritance. The first class, which is parent class, and second class which extend the parent class or inherit the parent class. Second one is multi-level inheritance. When there is a means there is a classes of inheritance. Means suppose first one is parent class, and second is child class which inherit the parent class. Then again third which inherit the second class. In this way the process goes on. So this type of inheritance is called multi-level inheritance. Then the last type of inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherit a single class, it is called as hierarchical inheritance. So this is all about inheritance in Java. Thank you.